Hi friends, welcome to our channel Best of Everything. Over the past couple weeks, WhatsApp messaging service has led to concern over its security features. After television news channels started leaking WhatsApp chats between Bollywood actors has led to concern over the end-to-end encryption promised on chat application. Many users aren't sure if their messages are indeed end-to-end encrypted or whether they are secure. We use chat apps for a variety of purposes, including private conversations and sharing of pictures, as the chat service promises us the end-to-end encryption. But are they really secure? Let us understand the few basic terms and then let's see the security checks you need to do right now on your mobiles. Do not forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to receive updates on our latest videos. Well, so what is WhatsApp's end-to-end encryption? Is WhatsApp really end-to-end encrypted? Yes, WhatsApp is really end-to-end encrypted. WhatsApp's end-to-end encryption ensures only you and the person you are communicating with can read what is sent and nobody in between, not even WhatsApp. Messages sent are secured with cryptographic locks and only the recipient have the special keys needed to unlock and read your messages. WhatsApp's end-to-end encryption uses the Signal protocol designed by OpenWhisper systems. This end-to-end encryption protocol is designed to prevent third parties and WhatsApp from having plain text access to messages or calls. But here is the catch. Encryption is only on the WhatsApp app. There is no encryption for backup files of the chats that are saved in a folder on the device or on the cloud device such as Google Drive or iCloud, and also the screenshots of the chats that are saved in phone's gallery, as these are all outside the encrypted WhatsApp platform. So what is phone cloning? By taking user's phone, investigation agency or hackers can create a clone of it on another device, and it is called phone cloning of your phone. They can copy and then transfer all the data onto the new device. They can also retrieve all kind of data like phone call records, messages, images, WhatsApp chats, as well as the data on your phone's cloud service like Google Drive or iCloud, including anything that has been deleted. Can government access your messages? Yes. Interception, monitoring and decryption of electronic information are allowed under specific circumstances under Section 69 of Information Technology Act 2000. In December 2018, 10 agencies were allowed electronic snooping, and this includes the Intelligence Bureau and Narcotics Control Bureau. The police can also ask to look at your messages under the provision of Criminal Procedure Code. So in order to secure your WhatsApp chats, do these top 5 best quick and easy security checks right now. Tip 1. Turn on security notifications. To do that, open WhatsApp. Go to the 3 dots on the right hand corner, select settings, select account, navigate to security and turn on security notifications. Tip 2. Enable two-step verification. To do that, open WhatsApp, go to the 3 dots on the right hand corner, select settings, select account, navigate to two-step verification, click on enable, enter a 6-digit PIN, a strong PIN, confirm the PIN, enter email, confirm the email, click save. Your two-step verification is enabled. You can change the PIN if you wish to. You can change the email if you wish to. You can also disable this option if you want to. You will need to remember this PIN, as you will need to enter your PIN when registering your phone number with WhatsApp again. This will prevent someone to peek into your WhatsApp even after having access to your phone number. Tip 3. Disable cloud backups if you care about privacy. To do that, open WhatsApp, go to the three dots on the right hand corner, select settings, navigate to chats, select chat backup, select backup to Google Drive, and select never. The backup stored on the device or on cloud is not under WhatsApp's end-to-end protection. So one must ensure one's device and cloud has a strong password protection. Tip 4. Download original app. If one is using the original app downloaded and not a knockoff like a WhatsApp GB, WhatsApp Gold, your private conversations are protected. Also make sure to download app only from Play Store and App Store of Apple, as they assure some security, while knockoffs of the chat apps can lead to privacy breach. Remember, once you have malware on the phone, then everything is hackable. And general tips. Check encryption for sensitive conversation. To check encryption, go to settings, go to account. You will see my code and scan code. You can share your code to the recipient in order to check, or vice versa for the sensitive conversation. You can check this encryption. Also remember, no conversation shared between a devices is ever 100% private. To enhance your WhatsApp security, keep private conversations offline and also keep your app updated. Think carefully before sharing conversations you may regret later. And log out of active web sessions in WhatsApp on your mobile phone. And one can be assured that no television network has managed to break into encrypted WhatsApp chats and intercepted them. They are merely provided by investigation agencies. Do not forget to like, share, comment, subscribe and click the bell icon to receive updates on our latest videos. Thank you. Keep your support to my channel.